After this video, you are going to be extremely likable. So subscribe already as I welcome you all to The Godfather.
Você pra meu amor e você não entendeu. Quis fazer você a flor de jardim somente meu.
Point number 1. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity breeds trust and likability. People are drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Avoid trying to be someone you're not or pretending to have qualities you don't possess. Authenticity fosters deeper connections and makes you more relatable. Point number 2. Listen actively. People appreciate when they feel heard and understood. Actively listen to others without interrupting or formulating your response while they're speaking. Show genuine interest in what they have to say, ask follow-up questions, and validate their feelings. This demonstrates empathy and fosters rapport. Point number 3. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Showing empathy involves recognizing and acknowledging other people's emotions, even if you don't agree with them. Empathetic individuals are perceived as caring and compassionate, which enhances likability. Point number 4. Be positive and enthusiastic. Explanation. Positivity is contagious, and enthusiasm is magnetic. Maintain an optimistic outlook, look for the silver lining in situations, and approach interactions with enthusiasm. Your positive energy will uplift others and leave a lasting impression. Point number 5. Find common ground. Establishing common ground creates a sense of connection and camaraderie. Seek shared interests, experiences, or values with others. Whether it's hobbies, goals, or beliefs, identifying commonalities helps bridge gaps and strengthens relationships. Point number 6. Offer genuine compliments. Sincere compliments have the power to brighten someone's day and foster goodwill. Acknowledge others' strengths, achievements, or positive attributes genuinely and specifically. Authentic praise demonstrates appreciation and fosters a positive relationship dynamic. Point number 7. Respect boundaries. Respecting boundaries is crucial for building trust and maintaining healthy relationships. Recognize and honor others' personal space, time, and limits. Avoid being overly intrusive or pushy, and always seek consent before delving into sensitive topics or actions. Point number 8. Be reliable and trustworthy. Reliability and trustworthiness are fundamental pillars of likability. Follow through on your commitments, be punctual, and keep promises. Consistently demonstrating reliability builds trust and credibility, making you someone others can depend on and respect. Point number 9. Display open body language. Body language speaks volumes, often more than words. Maintain open and welcoming body language by making eye contact, smiling genuinely, and using gestures that convey warmth and acceptance. Approachable body language invites others to engage with you more freely. Last point. Practice positivity in communication. Communication plays a pivotal role in how we're perceived by others. Strive to communicate positively by avoiding gossip, criticism, or negativity. Instead, focus on uplifting and constructive dialogue that fosters mutual understanding and support. In summary, being genuine, empathetic, and positive while also demonstrating active listening, respect, and reliability are key ingredients in making people like you. Additionally, finding common ground, offering compliments, and maintaining open body language further enhance your likability and ability to connect with others. As we wrap up your video on how to make people like you, remember that these tips are not just about winning popularity contests but about building genuine connections and fostering meaningful relationships. By being authentic, empathetic, and positive, you can create lasting impressions and enrich both your personal and professional interactions. So, go forth with confidence, embrace these strategies, and watch as you cultivate stronger connections and leave a positive impact on those around you. Thank you for watching, and may your journey towards becoming more likable be filled with warmth, understanding, and genuine connection. Until next time, take care and keep spreading positivity. This is Godfather, signing off.
Você pra meu amor